Good morning, everyone. Jennifer here with Moreau Family Farm. We are currently, this is our second full day here, and we are going downstairs. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. We are doing our farewell to the kids for right now. They are going to be going off with Mimi and Papa for anywhere from 2 weeks to a month, but we're thinking it's probably going to be longer than shorter, while we work on the house and the farm and stuff like that, just to kind of keep the kids from being bored, getting in the way, stuff like that. So it's just easier. They're gonna have more fun being in Florida, going swimming, going to the beach, going in the pool, doing all that fun stuff. So we are basically just getting the kids packed up. We're gonna go eat breakfast and stuff like that. I don't know why I brought this down, because we have to go back up. It's okay, I'll hold on to it, but we do have to go back up to get the cooler. I forgot about the cooler. If anything, I'll just bring it over to the car. I'll just walk it to the car. So, yeah, we're just, we're staying in a hotel. Nothing fancy, nothing special, just because we're going to be here for so long. We really don't want to spend a fortune. But our house is in an unlivable state. Sorry, it's so bouncy when I walk. The floors, I've said this before, the floor joists, the pilings, the subfloor, and then the actual floor all need to be replaced. So because that is such a huge undertaking in itself, that's going to take a long time. Probably the most time, to be honest with you. My husband, before he does all that, he has to work on the electrical. There have been rodents up in the attic that have been chomping at the electric wires. So all that has to be redone. Plumbing needs to be redone. So that kind of stuff needs to be done first before the kids can come home. We want to make sure that they're coming home to a house that at least has electric, air conditioning, running water, and floors, and a bathroom, obviously, something to shower in. So we've got a lot of stuff ahead of us that we need to do. The pool is probably about the only thing that's nice here, but it's okay. It's the rooms are okay. We have a king size bed, which all four of us have been sleeping in the bed for last night and the night before. But you know, hey, it is what it is. You make the best of your situations, and you just have to keep on focusing on what the outcome is going to be, what the grand scheme picture looks like. And yeah, so this is the lobby slash breakfast room. So we come in here. Alexia's actually making a waffle.
Well, this is Zion.
Oh, Zion's waffle is going first. So they have, you know, self-serve. Pour your batter, you put it in there, you flip it, and it cooks it. And then over here we have, oh, we have sausage today. Well, we don't eat pork, but yesterday they had biscuits and gravy, so that was nice. I know I say we don't eat pork, and there's a little bit of pork in the gravy, but
You can eat pork every once in a while.
yeah, as long as we don't eat it all the time, it's okay. So today we have eggs and sausage. Yes. And then, of course, you know, like your cereals, banana. Got a juice bar right there. Yogurts. All that. Whoops.
And what about the color? And that might be good.
Now I know why Daddy didn't give you. Why didn't you put it in a bowl?
We don't have bowls.
There's bowls over there, I
Really?
think. Oh, right here, right here. There's bowls right here, Zion.
You eat with your eyes too. You need to eat.
He's a growing boy. So, like I was saying, we've got this stuff here, this stuff over here. Kind of wish they had like some bagels or something like that rather than just toast. But at least there's some bread to make some toast. But bagels would be really nice. But that's okay. Bagels. But yeah, and then they have coffee over there. Nothing's too fancy, but it's free and it's hot, so can't complain about that. And yeah, we're gonna sit here and eat our breakfast, and then the shirt's a little too close to my neck. It's driving me crazy. I'm gonna get my breakfast, my coffee, and then we'll say goodbye to the kids. They're okay. And then, oh yeah, it's, oh, careful you don't burn yourself.
I don't care. I hurt myself before. Won't be the first time.
Good job. And then it comes out looking like this. How nice is that? Freshly made waffles. Yum. Say it. Yum.
Yum.
Yum. How's your cereal? Yum. And Mimi and Pop-Up have been on the channel once or twice before. This is my mom, Maddie. This is my pops, Rich.
Hi there, good morning. Whoever you are.
To all who watch the farm. No, you actually look much better than I do. Good gracious. The tan. It's all about that Florida tan.
71. It's all about 71.
Oh, 71 in the Florida tan. Right. Yes. Good job, Mom. I hope I look as good as you do when I'm your age. And once we leave, then I will give you guys the quick runaround of the farm so you can see what we've gotten ourselves into. Actually, it looks better today than it did yesterday. They cleaned out 2 of the sheds yesterday, but we had so much stuff going on yesterday, I could not film any of it. But I will kind of show you the aftermath and what took place and stuff like that. All of my makeup is back at the house because I have no idea where any of my stuff is. So I'm looking a little pale and not my finest at the moment, but we'll get there. Gotta hurry up and eat because we gotta be out of here at a certain time. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm already red and sweating. We've been here at the house. It's just been hectic. It's hard to record all of this when you're waiting for movers to come and stuff like that. So I'm just gonna give you guys a quick tour of what the house looks like. Be prepared to be unamazed. For
I need my truck keys on.
So, really quick, we ripped out the carpet. We had to put some of the carpet back in just to put our mattress in here. Once the electric's turned on, we will be back here. Kitchen, dining room, everything's a mess. All of this is getting ripped out. Everything you see is not going to be the way it looks right now. So it looks very scary. Yeah, this is the other side. We were planning on knocking down this wall and this wall, opening up the entire room, taking out that door right there, making a full wall and having an L-shaped or a U-shaped kitchen here. We have future plans for the porch and stuff like that as well. This is the bathroom, complete mess. Hallway. Here's one bedroom, again, complete mess. Another bedroom, complete mess. Master bedroom, complete mess. I'm gonna say that for everything. And then master bathroom. Everything, like I said, is gonna be completely redone. We have to do joists. We have to do pilings. We have to do subfloors. We have to do electric. We have to do plumbing because there's a leak somewhere. You'll notice that is clogging a plumbing hole for the ice maker So yeah, everything's a mess. We've got some of our stuff in here. We are going to be busy, busy, busy. Since we've been here with the movers, our dogs decided to chase the cows, and the cows were running through the yard here because the dogs were chasing them. They broke through the fence. So we were chasing cows just a couple minutes ago. We put the goats right there for right now. That's going to be my husband's workshop just for the time being until we get the house completed. Then of course we'll start working on outdoor stuff. Abby's over there tied up. Zeke is now over there tied up. And Daisy's still out in pasture. Lady's out here. Chickens are just kind of roaming around. Peppa's not out though. But that's kind of it. I got to get going. I've got to help these guys to let them know where's going what and all this other stuff. But, yeah, a little well house out there. I'll give you guys a better tour later. Just thought I'd let you see things before we start getting stuff off the truck.